Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you about keyloggers. Keyloggers is of two types basically. One is hardware keylogger and another one is software keylogger. One is hardware, another one is software. Hardware keylogger is a device which is inserted between your keyboard and your CPU so that it grabs all the keystrokes from your keyboard and logs them in a file. Let me show you how hardware keylogger works. Oh. Hardware keylogger. Go to images. Yeah, here you can see this is a hardware keylogger for USB supported keyboard, and this is how we use it. This is for another type keyboard. We can use it like this. So here is your keyboard wire and it is inserted between your CPU so that it grabs all the keystrokes from your keyboard and stores them. So whenever you use your public internet caves or your libraries or in your colleges, check for this. Okay, this is hardware keylogger, and another type is software keylogger. Software keylogger is of two types again. One is local, another one is remote. Local keylogger runs in your system, whereas remote keylogger runs in your victim system and sends keystrokes to you through SMTP, nothing but mail, or localhost, local network, or public networks, public host, or FTP. Some, I guess, I don't have idea about this. So in this class I don't have any hardware keylogger to show you, so I'm going to show you about software keylogger. You can use your own. I prefer Arthamax keylogger. Arthamax keylogger. It has remote support also. Notice all the keyloggers doesn't support remote installation. If you want to see the top best keyloggers, you can see them using Google. Top 10 best keyloggers. If you go to the link, here you can see keyloggers in there. Price also $69, almost 3,000. Nobody wanna spend, especially I don't want to spend that money. So I will suggest you to use Arthamax keylogger. .com/keylogger. Just you download this keylogger. You can see it supports keystroke, browser capturing, webcam recording, interesting one, email log delivery, lot of things, right? Yeah, you can see delivery methods: email, FTP, and microphone recording, network delivery, local network. This is nothing but clipboard logging, invisible mode. This is important. Makes it absolutely invisible to everyone. Arthamax keylogger is not visible in the taskbar. I guess you know about taskbar system there, right? Windows 2000 XP, 3 Vista and Windows 7 task managers. I guess Windows 8 also. Viewers, Process Explorer, WinTask, Start menu and Windows startup list. Visual surveillance, chart monitoring, security. Allows you to protect settings, hidden mode and log file. This means you can set a password to your logs. Application monitoring, time data, powerful log viewer, small size. Yes, it is absolutely small size. Unicode. Okay, just download this. This is about, I already downloaded it. Here it is, 1.5 GB. Sorry, 1.5 MB. Just 1.5 MB. You just download it, install it. Okay, let me go to my Windows 7. Here you can see Arthemax keylogger in the taskbar. Here, notepad. See, if I open, let me clear these logs and show you again. Options, logs, clear all logs. Yes, okay, close it. Now just double click on it. There is no logs, right? Okay, fine. Close it, open your notepad. I just typed notepad. I guess these keystrokes are locked by Arthemax keylogger. Check it. I'm not going to save it. Open your Arthemax keylogger again and you can see the logs. I guess these keystrokes are logged by Arthemax keylogger. Check it. I just open start menu and type notepad, right? Okay, fine. Now this is local keylogger. That means it runs in your system. What about remote keylogger? You can configure it. Right click, vlog pre-configured installation. That is nothing but remote installation. This feature is available in registered version only. Would you like to register Arthemax keylogger? Of course I want, but it is not free, guys. So let me tell you one thing. Open your browsers again, go to Arthemax keylogger, check the price, download by. It has single user license, it is $44.95. 2 to 9 user $30. 10 to 24 10.95. 25 plus licenses 9.95. I don't wanna spend that money, so just go to serials.w. Before that, check what version you are using right now. Arthemax keylogger, it is a version of 4.2. You can see it is 4.2 version. So just go to serials.ws where we can get our serial. Arthemax keylogger. Search for Arthemax keylogger and locate your version 4.2, right? Oops. Yep, here we go. Here is 4.2. Just click on that. Another pop window. Here we got all those things. Let me copy this. Copy and go to your virtual box. Okay, Windows 7 machine is here. Right click. Okay, wait. Arthemax keylogger. Enter registration key. Go to name, paste it. Oops. Again go to this, copy, paste, again copy and paste it. Click OK. Registration code is accepted. Thank you for registration. Thank you very much. Now we got pro version of Orthamax keylogger. I suggest you to buy, don't use these fake keyloggers, I mean fake keys. Now go to pre-configured installation. Yes, this wizard create customized Orthamax keylogger installation package. Yep, I want to create remote keylogger file. This is command app data. Okay, append keylogger into another file. Yep, why? Because when you click on a file and it shows nothing, it is more suspectable. So you just do one thing, bind that keylogger file, this file, with another exe file. I have few files. Application, what is this? Require setup, another application, cx underscore freeze. Here we can have SMS bomb. I want to bind this. I wanted to bind this remote installation file with this application. So when user clicks on this, in the background the remote installation keylogger file will be installed, and in the front end this bomb runs. Okay, open, next. Yeah, here you can see hide tray icon, hide the program from process viewers, remove shortcut from start menu, hide the program folder, hide the program from Windows startup list. Just select everything, then go to next. Security enable. Just put your password whatever you want. Okay, password do not match. Oops. Okay, fine. Log, program closing, product hidden mode, everything. Run on Windows startup. Show monitor warning at startup. I don't want to show it. If you show it, when Windows starts, it shows a warning message like this computer is monitoring, like something. I don't want to show that. Hidden mode, Control Shift Alt H. Self destruct, good option. Next, send logs every 5 minutes through email, HTML web page, keystrokes, everything, app 50 KB. Next, you just press next and again press on back, then only you are allowed to configure an email. So send to gmail.com, username suspected activity gmail.com, password do not expect the password 465. Check, test it. Oops, I have a net connection. I don't have a net connection to this. Okay, I have it. Test of email delivery has been successfully completed. Check your mailbox. Let me go to my Gmail and check whether I got mail or not. Yep, test. This is a test of the email delivery. That means it is working, right? Enough. If you don't believe me, again press on test and check and wait for your mail. logs will be sent to this mail, and this is used to send. Okay, you can see it. Inbox. Again there is a new mail, test 2 second mail. If you show details, this is from suspected activity at gmail.com. That is my secondary mail. Okay, done. Let me delete this. So it is working fine. Next, control everything. Go to enable logging. Target is very important. That means, wait, add Windows title process and user. If your user types this word, or if your user is this one, then the mail will be sent to you showing an alert message like pass, he typed this word. Mostly type your trust's name, so that when he typed that name, it sent an alert message to you. I don't know, configure that, clip logger, everything, application, screenshot, webcam capturing. Okay, fine. You just explore all those things on mouse clicks. Settings, left click, right click, middle click, enable this. Whenever the users clicks left click or right click or middle click, it takes a screenshot. It is useful when you use OSK. OSK is nothing but on-screen keyboard. Yeah, this is on-screen keyboard. If I type T and press to generally, wait a second, to type there I have to press here. If I press T, I have to give a right click, right? Then after it takes a screenshot. That means my cursor is at T. The first letter is T, the second letter is O, third letter is N. So it takes screenshots for every click. So it is useful when your victim uses OSK. Okay, capture, do not capture screenshots when system is idle. Remove this, skip duplicates. Okay, next, device name or index. Okay, no problem. Do not capture webcam when system is idle. Remove that. Installation package, change icon. You can change the icon. Let me put some interesting file icon. I don't find anything interesting. Oops. Okay, keep it as that only. Next, documents. It will be, the file will be generated to in your documents. You can see here, when someone clicks on install.exe, the file SMS bomber will be opened and the keylogger will be invisibly installed. It will start the launching together with Windows in invisible mode. It will be invisible in the system tray, task manager, start menu, auto start list of installed softwares. If it is invisible in installed softwares, then you cannot uninstall it, right? It will also hide the installation folder. Great. Each 5 minutes it will send logs to this mail ID, Gautam95India, that is mine, via email. The password is Gautam0109. Is used to protect the hidden mode. Okay, finish. Wait for some time, let it be finished. Finish, come on. Not responding. Where? It is a little bit slow because I am using in VirtualBox. Meanwhile, let me set up my XP to test that file. Oops. I wanted to wait because I don't have patience to configure it again. Check again, we got message. Okay, close the program. Okay, here is our XP ready to test that software. Okay, let me save it and I will reopen it again. Okay, 7, come on. Still it is not responding. Still not responding. Okay, my documents. No file created it. Oops. Okay. End task. Go to process and end process 3 and process 3. Okay, fine. We got the file. I don't know whether it works or not. No, I don't want. Okay. Whether the file is completed or not, I don't know. I have to check it. Tutorials, just paste it and type SMS bomber. Let me close this. I guess it is not work. It's not going to be worked because. Okay, let me check first. Then after we'll see. Okay, XP. Fine. I have SMS bomber here. Let me uninstall it first. Then after I am going to check it. Add or remove. Come on. First. SMS bomber. Okay. Uninstall it. Remove it. Yes. Preparing to remove. Come on. There is a lot of packages, software is installed in this, that's why it is a little bit slow. Oops, where is it? Okay, 14, 9 seconds, 5, 3, 0, 2, 1, 0. Okay, done. Now let's go to that. I can. 1 minute, guys. Network. Shared folders, add that file. I just skip all these things. Huh? It is not working. Not working. Hard disk పోయింది. Hard disk పోయింది. USB లేదు. Okay, come on. I just shared that file, come on. Mm. Okay, no problem. Let me do one thing. Let me start my server and download it there. One. Okay, now here is my, where is it? I removed it through SMS Bomber, right? It is the file. Save it. Save it on desktop. Okay, done. Here is the file. Just install it. I'm running it. In the front end, it is actually have to show SMS Bomber installation, but it is not showing just because SMS, if you observe that SMS Bomber, it is an MSF file and it is an exe file. That's why it is not showing. Let me do one thing and type in my notepad. I'm typing, this is testing remote keylogger. Check it out. Yes, you can check it out. If you remember the key strokes we gave to see hidden mode, that is Control Shift Alt H. It's not showing. We have to wait for 5 minutes and check our mail. Meanwhile, let me set up another install remote keylogger file quickly so that we can show on live. No mails. Okay, let me check it. Let me remove this file. Okay, Orthamax. All programs Orthamax. Okay, it is working fine. Let me go to this and create quick one. Just browse one. This time let me bind it with Do I have any softwares here? It must be .exe. Require setup. It is a .exe file. Let me bind that with this .exe. Next. I'm not going to enable it because I don't have it right now. Send logs every email. Okay, 5 minutes. Let me take this 1 minute. Okay, come back again and now configure mail. .com password. Test it. Yep, check it, fine. Next. Okay, no problem, finish it. Let her finish that. Meanwhile, go to my mail. Okay. Oops. Yeah, test. We got the test file. I'm going to remove it. Inbox. Okay, fine. Finish it fast, buddy. Not responding again here. Oh, you can see this file size 5.2. Previously it is 7.2 because we are configuring with the 2 MB file. So 2 plus 2 MB it will become 4 MB. If binding option fails, you can create just file. Don't bind it with any other file. Then after you can bind it using binders. Okay, it's going to be lengthy, so I'm going to be cut off. Yeah, it is not responding, so I'm going to stop here. That's it. So that's all for this video. This is about remote keyloggers. You just check it. I checked it out and it is working fine, and even antivirus are not detecting it. If you want to get one file which is configured, I will tell you later why I'm laughing. Okay, you can go to facebook.com by master hackers 009. Okay, and files, and there is one keylogger, remote keylogger file already here. It is working fine, and for invisible mode it is Control Alt Shift, Control plus Alt plus Shift plus H. After you install that, press Control Alt Shift H to configure it again and use it, but I suggest you don't use it. Create your own file. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, just post it or ping me.